that feel. I'm going to go ahead and get started here with the first hack. The very first hack that you should do is go live right after you're done posting. Now, I'm going to go ahead and show you this. This is my account here, TikTok Growth Secrets, and I did a stitch the other day with John Morgenstern, and he is the head of investment for buying at VaynerMedia with Gary Vee. And he actually found a data point that was really helpful with explaining this phenomenon of going live right after you post. Okay. So I was going to go ahead and show you that data point here really quick. So when he posted his video, he posted this August 2nd, and I was actually watching this live while he was doing it. And so I verified that at around 9 o'clock his time, 8 o'clock my time, that he was live. And I actually know that because I asked him a couple of questions on live. And at that time, at 8:02, 9:05, he had a massive spike, as you guys can see, a massive spike, almost 1,000 impressions right at the time that he went live. And he calls it the halo effect. I call it the double dipping effect. And I'll go ahead and explain it here real quick. Essentially what is happening, I'll go back to my TikTok Live. I'll go back to my video here. And if you guys can see that here, I call it the double dipping effect. And you have your post on TikTok and you have your live. So when you go live, essentially what's happening is you're getting pushed on the For You page with that live. Also, with your posts, you're obviously, when you post your video right away, you're going to get some initial For You page traffic. Now, the combination of the two is what I call double dipping, because when you're going live, the other way that TikTok promotes lives is with the ring around your profile. And so when they're trying to promote your live, that you're going live, they're going to show your videos to people that they think would want to watch your live. And then the people see the ring around your profile picture on that post to show that you're live. And it's essentially a way of double dipping with getting on the For You page, right? So you get somebody to interact with a post and then they go ahead and go to your live. That's a great sign to TikTok, right? And the more you can replicate that, the more times that you can get somebody to watch your live and to go to your account, the better signals it is for TikTok. Now, I call this on YouTube, this is a very known category called average views per viewer. And essentially in layman's terms, how many times can you get one person to watch multiple videos from you? How many videos does one person watch from you on average? And you want to be able to increase that. Now, there are several ways to increase that. Obviously, the first way is to be consistent. That's why a lot of people say to niche down. I do as well. You should niche down your account, right? And one of the reasons is doing TikTok growth content. When somebody comes to my account, they know exactly what they're going to get every single time that they come to my account, right? So that's a big thing. And if I give good content here, they're probably going to follow. If I also give good content, they're probably going to want to see more of what we're about. If they see more of what we're about, that's how you get the average views per viewer up, which is a good signal to TikTok. So one of the things I want you guys to do is post and then go live right after for at least a half an hour. You will see a rise in your For You page traffic, a rise in your video views. That is a big hack that you guys can go ahead and use right now. Now, the second thing that I like to talk about here is these are the best places to find good ideas for TikTok. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys some of the places that I go and look for that stuff here. So one of the first places that I look is YouTube. And this is how I do it essentially with YouTube. So I'm going to give you guys the example here of YouTube, and I'm going to do real estate investing. And essentially what I do is I go to, for example, the shorts. I tried investing in real estate as a beginner, the best states to buy a home, 3 golden rules for real estate investing, why the wealthy love multifamily real estate. So you guys these are ideas that you can use, but also these titles are normally trying to attract you to click. That's very a very important thing for TikTok in terms of hooks for TikTok, right? So those could be pretty solid hooks for TikTok. These are the 3 golden rules in real estate investing, right? That's a good hook. As you scroll down, you guys can look at thumbnails, right? Start with $10,000, or you can look at the actual title. How to buy your first rental property, where to buy, metrics, look at it more. She puts there how to get started. And as you can see, from DoorDash driver to 1.5 million in real estate, right? 50K per month at 22 years old. So you're seeing that there's obviously great ideas and even hooks that you guys can use, right, for your TikTok videos. The second place that you can go, I have real estate investing up here as well, is on Pinterest. As you guys can see here, how I earn $400,000 a year in real estate, how to buy your first investment property, how to replace a $70,000 salary with passive income through real estate. Here's the types of real estate, how to buy your first rental property, 15 tips on how to invest real estate with little or no money. So you guys can go ahead and go here too and look at a lot of these high performing pins, right? And you guys can go ahead and use those as ideas and even try to find some good hooks there as well. Now, the third place, one of my favorites right now to check out, is a place called Answer Socrates. Now, you guys have probably seen Answer the Public, and you only get 3 questions on Answer the Public, and then you have to pay for it. Answer Socrates is free. And essentially what you do is you type in your topic here, and comparisons, 46 questions. As I said, there's so many questions. Is real estate investing worth it? Is real estate investing a good idea? Is real estate investing better than stocks? Can real estate investing make you rich? How does real estate investing work? How to start real estate investing with no money? Real estate investing 101. There's just so many. Why real estate investing is a bad idea. Why real estate investing is the best. Real estate investing strategies. And you guys can see that there are so many ideas that can help get you rolling real estate investing for beginners, right? So you guys can use Answer Socrates, YouTube, or Pinterest to find great ideas for your TikToks. Hopefully that helps, guys. Hopefully you guys are getting this and understanding this. Now, the third and final hack that I want to share with you guys is how to get more profile views instantly. And one of the ways that I do that is through, as you guys can see here, let me make sure I get this up for you guys, is through what I do here on TikTok. Now, what you can do, I'm going to go ahead and refresh this. The best way that you can do this is go to some old videos that have decent views, right?
This is part 2.
And so what you can go ahead and do is you can go ahead and click like. You guys can go ahead and like some of these comments that you missed. So as you can see, I missed some comments here. I missed commenting on, I usually comment back to most of mine, to be honest with you, but there's going to be some that slip through the cracks, right? And so you can go back and like, and you can even comment on an old video. You could go all the way back. I could scroll way back to, let's see. This video has 43 comments. So I'm in love with long form. I'm loving long form. You can click like there, and you can go ahead and answer some of these as well. But essentially, what's going to happen there is it sounds simple, but a lot of people don't do it. And what's going to happen is you're going to get somebody, if you like it or you comment back, they're going to get a notification. And most times they're going to check their notifications, especially if they're not a huge creator. And they're going to go back to that conversation and look, they're going to go back to that video and look, they're going to go back to your profile to see who you are. You're going to get more profile views from that. And what that does is, because they already commented, you're going to get another view from them as a creator or as a viewer, and it's going to help you with your average views per viewer number that we talked about in the beginning. You're going to get more people to stop by your account, and you're going to get more people to watch more of your videos, check out your profile, etc. That's the goal. That's how I grew my account from 0 to 40K in 30 days. And my account's about 4 months old, and I've kind of grinded out, this 27.7K in the last 3 months here or so. But essentially, if you go ahead and you do these things, right? If you go ahead and you you go live right after you post, which is a great hack, especially right now in August, September, October of 2023, right? If you go ahead and you find great ideas on YouTube, Pinterest, and Answer Socrates, and you use this tactic to get more profile views, which is liking old comments, commenting on old comments to get people revived and get people to see your account and your video. That's how you're gonna. These are 3 hacks that, like I said, feel illegal to know about TikTok. Now, if you guys want to, I would love to have you guys in my community. It's $97 one-time fee, lifetime access. I would love to have you guys in there. Now, this is a little sneak peek here of something I just posted. Content styles that are going viral right now on Shorts and Reels, original showcase, first-person video. So I give you this kind of content, and it's under my Angel's day-to-day ninja hacks, right? And so I do these ninja hacks, and I'm able to show you and tell you guys exactly some of the things I'm thinking about when I'm thinking about them, right? And I also have a private live stream in the next 10 days happening as well. So you guys get to see that private live stream. In those private live streams, we almost have 300 members already. And in those private live streams, I do audits of people's SEO, audits of their content, and I help people in the community see what it's like to get an audit, see what it's like to get a content review so that you guys can go ahead and do that for yourselves. But we have a class. Obviously, we have the classroom. I have some for musicians as well as TikTok growth secrets, but I have so much content in here. I have hours and hours of content in here. So you guys get the community where we talk about things day to day here. And you get the classroom for $97 one-time fee, lifetime access. I would love to have you guys there. That's the ultimate ask from me. Like I said, I don't care what else you do or what else you buy from me. I would love to have you in the community, and you get to learn every single day, lifetime access, about the things day to day that we're doing, search engine optimization, the algorithm, how to edit, how to create content, the ideas around all of those things. And you get a community of people that are smart and it could be in your niche as well. And you guys can, become friends, help each other. The community is so powerful. In the course, I update all the time. Like I said, I update it daily, weekly. So I always want to give the most up-to-date hacks, tricks, strategies for you guys so that you guys can continue to grow on TikTok for whatever your purpose on growing on TikTok is. So hopefully you guys like that content. I appreciate your guys' time. And if you guys want to go check the link in the description, I have the $97 one-time fee, lifetime access deal in the description right now. Thank you guys so much. Angel Telemontis here, TikTok Growth Secrets. Until next time, guys, take care. All love. Talk soon.